Here's our one-hit wonder makeup brands. First with the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter Shadows. Now I need to know what you think of this because somebody commented this on my last video and it actually had quite a lot of likes. And I was genuinely shook because I was like, Stila? Are we talking about the same brand? The lip glaze, the Stale Day liquid liner, the Stale Day gel liners, like, are we kidding? One hit wonder? Not for me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, another comment on my last video, which I was like, okay, the Clinique Black Honey Lipstick. Is this the same Clinique we're talking about? Like, do you understand the grip Clinique has had on the makeup girlies for decades? Obviously, this is like very recent one-hit wonders, but like the Super Balanced Foundation, the Chubby Sticks, the Cheek Pop Blush, like that's newer in my eyes. But anyways, one-hit wonder, I guess. This, however, is 100% a one-hit wonder. The Blink Tubing Mascara. Now, if you know, this mascara was everywhere. At one point, it was like the only product from Blink that was sold in Sephora. But they definitely tried venturing out into other makeup